Hello everybody, quick disclaimer here. LTX gave me 1 free month to try their software. They didn't pressure me on what I'm going to say next. What I'm going to say next and what I'm going to do is real time, and you're going to see how I discovered basically how any user with minimal to no knowledge perhaps of the creating videos can actually create compelling music videos using the LTX platform's new audio to video format.
Please subscribe to DMTT, Danny's Mobile Tech Talk. Here's Danny.
So what I'm doing first is I'm going to go ahead and drop in that opening picture on Gemini. And dropping it here on Gemini, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to create a scene for me that we can use in order to make the video, a very nice video. And here's what I've done. I've gone ahead and dropped in the song that I need to use, the image that I put in there, and also I went ahead and said generate a prompt for a music video using the following picture. All I need is the prompt. The reason I say this is because Gemini generally tends to move forward and just create something. And I don't think it can create a music video anyway, but it just moves forward to create something right away. It opens up VO3 or whatever, or makes an image or whatnot. So I'm trying to be as targeted as possible when giving it the instructions. And so here is what it's going to do when I hit submit. It's going to think about it, and hopefully it doesn't say opening VO3 or opening Nano Banana. Hopefully it gives me exactly, yep, it's loading Nano Banana Pro, unfortunately. Let's see. It's possible that it's using Nano Banana Pro for the OCR, in other words, to actually recognize the picture, but hopefully it gives me the prompt that I need. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and come back to you when it gives me a response. Okay, that was kind of quick. I mean, the moment I hit pause, it just jumped right into here's the elaborate prompt. And there it is. It goes from minute 0 all the way through the end of the piece. So let's go ahead and copy and paste this right here. Crown of Thorns, it says now. I'll just do this right here, visual style. And let's go ahead and go back to LTX. And let's paste the prompt. I hope that it's within the 5,000. Yeah, it is within the 5,000. 3,647. And I'm going to go ahead and click Generate Video. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and pause. And what I'll do is come back to you as soon as it's figured out what to do and hopefully get the entire video done. And apparently it was a fail for the moment being. I'll try again and we'll come back and revisit it. And this is what reviews are for. Being able to test drive and see what goes wrong to tell you what not to mess up on. There's one little minor detail that I missed whenever I put the audio in, was the fact that I was giving it the entire song, and here the duration should be 3 to 20 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this song out of here. I'm going to drag it out. Well, the song's not in there anymore. I'm going to cut the song into 20-second segments using a DAW, or digital audio workstation. What you could use is essentially Audacity, which is free, then cut the song into 20-second segments and then put it through LTX to process in 20-second increments, and then you can paste it back all together, if you will, by using something like Canva or maybe CapCut or a Premiere Pro by Adobe. Goodness, can I speak? Anyway, I'll be right back and do that, and we'll be right back with you. Thank you. So I recognize not everybody's very technically advanced in terms of audio, digital audio workstations or DAWs. This is called Audacity, and you can actually download Audacity for free. Just type Audacity download or Audacity free download on your browser on Google. Then after you download it and install it, you'll get this set up right here. I'm going to drag the song and drop it right here. And now I've got the entire song here, but remember, I can only do 20-second increments. So if I'm on a Windows on a Windows device right now. If I hit Control and I scroll in, that lets me look into the timeline until I see the 20-second point. And now all I have to do is click on 20 seconds right here where it says 20 seconds and make sure that I didn't pass the 20 seconds. I can go over here and see exactly what it says. It says 19.977. That's about as close as I can get. Now I can go ahead and click here and drag it all the way to the end. All the way to the end. There we are. And then I can actually click cut. So now I just cut it. When I go back to the beginning, all that will be there, excuse me, right there, all that will be there with this are the first 20 seconds of the song. And don't worry, you can get it back. You can get the rest of the song back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on File, and I'm going to click Export Audio. And I don't want it on audio.com, which by the way is a free service. I'm gonna want to go ahead and export it to the computer. So there we are. I'm not broken, and I'm just gonna put I'm not broken 1 so that I know which one it is, the first 20 seconds. And I'm gonna go ahead and click export. And I want it to go to yes. I want to go there. Fantastic. All right. Now that I've got that, I'm going to go to my downloads. I'm going to grab that file, and I'm going to go ahead and drag it in here. Now I have 20 seconds of song and the beginning image. So I'm going to go ahead and click here where it says retry. And for feedback, for LTX feedback, if you're watching this LTX, it would be nice to highlight what went wrong. It just said error processing, and that was it. So it didn't give me any indication of what was wrong with the software to where it couldn't actually make that video. Now I can go over here and read the terms, and it says it can't be bigger than 100 megabytes, and it can't be bigger than 20 seconds, and it has to be at least 3 seconds. So that's actually pretty cool. Now what I like about being able to divide it into 20-second segments is that every 20 or so seconds I can actually change the scene. So I'm going to grab this picture, I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to change the location of this person, keep the same dress, and that way I can keep the song going in a very realistic way. So there I have the picture. It's already in there, and I'm going to be basically asking ChatGPT, place this person in a different environment that keeps the outdoor I'm going to say the outdoor golden hour feel. Perhaps some lonely woods. All right, so let's see what it comes up with. I'm going to the image model. It's analyzing the image. And when I say place this person, it should actually take it and actually create it. Now, it's interesting how quick ChatGPT has become, whereas before it what it actually did was it took a long time. So I'm not going to make you wait. I'll pause and I'll get you the results here shortly. And there it comes. And hopefully she remains consistent. That's really the aim. And there's the big reveal. Now she's sitting down on a log, and she's looking mighty fine there. That's very good. Let me go ahead and pause again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download this song, picture to continue the scene. And what do you know? I've gone back to LTX. It didn't take very long, but it's actually doing very well. I'm not sure if this is a preview and it's only rendered to this point, or if it's really the entire thing. Let's see what it comes up with. I love the feel. Wow, this is nice.
whisper like the wind through cracks in the door.
Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so that's the beginning. She's not really singing there, but I can actually say that she is actually lip syncing in the next portion. Very nice. I'll come back and show you the next portion. So because Gemini had rewritten, I had actually written all the segments and then I created the picture, well, I needed to change the segment to match where she was. So there it says, cut to a medium shot of a woman sitting in a fallen tree, etc., and it'll go ahead and continue with that. But now I'm going to go ahead and add to that she actually performs the actual singing as well. Let me just let it know again, but have her start lip syncing to the song from the beginning of the shot. All right, there we are. I'll have it rewrite that and I'll come right back to you. Now you're seeing the creative process from beginning to, probably not all the way to the end, but just so that you know how to create the audio to visual and how good it is. So what I'm going to do is I know that I'm starting from 1977, so I'm going to go ahead and click on X over here, and I'm going to drag the song in again, which is just the way that I'm doing it. That doesn't mean it's the very best way to do it, but that's the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to cut away from that point. Oh, that's actually, I just dropped in the same one. Just a moment. Okay, we're going to go into this again. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to take from 1977 approximately, a little bit more, right over here. It's okay if it overlaps a little bit. So that's about 6.7. I'll get it, 6.7, 6.97 rather. No pun intended, 6.7 fans. I'll delete this, and it actually brought the song forward. And now I'm going to do another 20 seconds. So I want to click right around here. Uh-oh, a little too much. You want to go a little bit further. You want to go a little bit to the left. And now I'm within the 20 seconds. Now I can delete, whoops, I can delete everything to the right. Notice I'm deleting everything to the right here. All right, now hit delete. I'll go back to the beginning over here, and I'll notice here that I've got exactly the 20 seconds that I wanted on the song. Now I'm going to go ahead and exit, export the audio, click again on my computer. All right, and this time I'm going to name it segment 2, right? So put a 2 in here, click export, and now I've got that available to be uploaded to LTX. So here we are. Let me go ahead and go on to LTX and check out the second portion of it, drag it and drop it right in there. Now I'm not broken 2 with this image now. This one's going to be different. So this image, and now I'm going to go ahead and click on generate the video. And this is the first, this is the first prompt. I need to delete that. And I need to go ahead and go to Gemini and copy this prompt. I'm going to go over here and say segment 2. So from here to here. All right. And go into LTX and paste it there. And here it is. And that's basically the way you create the second segment. In a moment, I'll be able to show you how to blend them in together using Canva, which you can get for free. And you'll be able to do all these things that I'll be able to do on Canva with the free subscription. Of course, if you've got the pro subscription or a paid subscription, you have a little bit more flexibility. But here it goes. And here we are. This is the second clip.
Throw their stones, but I don't feel them anymore.
Right there, she still looks recognizable, but notice here.
They say I'm wild.
There she changes her look a little bit, but it's still pretty nice. I like the emotion.
Fear of the unknown.
There it is. So that's the other 20 seconds, if you will. So now all I have to do is download this one. I'll go into Canva. And once I'm here in Canva, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to go ahead and drop the first video. Okay. And then I'm going to drop the second video. Okay, so I've got both videos. Now I can just layer them right over here. And what I can do is play them through so that you can hear kind of the way they sound. Now they will have a little bit of a jump right here, but I could iron that out by deleting the sound from these two videos and just putting the actual song at the bottom.
Through cracks in the door, throw their stones, but I don't feel them anymore. They say I'm wild, a storm they can't tame, but the fear of the unknown.
Not bad at all. So I do think they have a little work to do in the lip sync, but so far it actually does a very dramatic scene. It very melodic, very nice for a music video. That's where I'm going to go with this. So is it mature? Well, it's probably as people make more and more videos, it'll get even better. So I just wanted to show you the entire workflow that I use in order to make it and how I would use it. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the platform? Do you think that that's something you'd like to try? And in fact, what I'd like you to do is click on the comments below, and if you go to the very first comment, I'm going to go ahead and pin a referral code for you to be able to get this for a very, very good price. Of course, you're going to be able to just get it through my link to support the channel if you can. Again, this was given to me as a trial by LTX for me to be able to review on this channel.
They whisper like the wind through cracks in the door. Throw their stones, but I don't feel them anymore. They say I'm wild, a storm they can't tame, but the fear of the unknown.